If you're experiencing server timeout issues on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, Network, Test Internet Connection to verify that your connection is stable and working properly. Step 2. Restart your PS5. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Turn off your PS5 completely, unplug it for a minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, System Software Update and Settings to check for updates and install any available updates. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Changing your DNS settings can improve connectivity. Go to Settings, Network, Set up Internet Connection. Choose your connection type, select Advanced Settings, and change the DNS settings to Google's DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 4.4. Step 5. Contact PlayStation support. If the issue persists, it may be a server-side problem. Contact PlayStation support for assistance or check their official social media channels for any ongoing server issues. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the server timeout issue on your PlayStation 5. If problems continue, reaching out to support is your best option.